Hi everyone, in this problem we're given a linear function. This is actually just the equation of a line. And we're asked for three things. We want the slope, the y-intercept, and the actual graph. So to do this, realize that f of x is the same thing as y. So we always define it that way. Y is actually equal to f of x. And this is equal to mx plus b. So all we have to do is use matching to get these things. So m here is -2, and that's going to be our slope. So m equals -2, and I'm just going to go ahead and indicate that that is the slope. So that is the first answer. The y-intercept is the b, so b is equal to 1, just from matching. So y-intercept is equal to 1. Now, there's a catch. Okay, so you want the ordered pair. So the way I do it is I always remember y-intercept equals 1. So y equals 1. So as an ordered pair, the y is equal to 1. And so that means that the x must be equal to 0. It's just a cheap trick. So like if it was x-intercept, it's the x that you write, and then the other one is 0. So y-intercept, y is equal to 1, and then your x is 0. So that's the other answer. All right, now we're going to do the graph. This is the hard part because I have to draw straight lines. So here's the y-axis, and here's the x-axis. It's tough to draw straight lines. Graph paper helps, but then again, if you have graph paper, you have to be more perfect. So this might actually be easier. So we'll start by plotting the y-intercept, which is 0, 1. So that means we go right 0 and up 1, and then we put a dot. I'm going to use a different color. There we go. There's the y-intercept. And now we're going to use the slope. So m is equal to -2. So think of it as -2 over 1. And remember, this is rise over run. So we're going to use this and this dot, this y-intercept, to do this graph. So all you do is we rise -2. That means you go down, though, because it's negative, right? So from here, you go down 2. So 1, 2. And then you run 1. So you go right 1. So 1. So rise 2, but it's negative, so you go down. And then the run is positive, so you go right. Then you just connect these dots. And then you want to extend it, right? You want to extend it because it is a straight line, and draw little arrows. And that's it. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world. Good luck.